Do now, though, is cross to Adelaide and check out the fallout from that statewide blackout in South Australia back in 2016. There's now going to be a sequel in the courts with the National Energy Market Regulator taking 4 wind farm operators to court. Joining us live from Adelaide is Emily Burley.
Well, Chris, the proceedings will be against AGL, Pacific Hydro, Neon and Tilt Renewables, and the regulator is alleging all 4 companies failed to comply with the requirement to be able to ride out major disruptions. Now, as you said, it was September 2016 when severe weather damaged energy infrastructure here in South Australia, bringing down major transmission lines. Now, the regulator says that it was a subsequent loss of wind power that caused the blackout, leaving 850,000 people without power. And, of course, it wasn't just residents affected. Business SA claims that the blackout cost the state's businesses $367 million. Now, the regulator is seeking penalties against all 4 of those companies, as well as to recover legal costs. Let's take a listen to what Energy Minister Angus Taylor had to say a short time ago.
That new generation needs to be properly integrated. It needs to perform, particularly in circumstances that are tough, like we saw at the end of 2016 in South Australia. It also means that solar and wind needs to be backed up appropriately. So when the wind doesn't blow and the sun doesn't shine, customers know that when they flick the switch, the lights come on.
Now, AGL has issued a statement in response to these proceedings, saying it will defend them and that it has complied with regulations. A spokesperson says, "We are committed to working with the regulator and stakeholders to ensure the integrity of the energy market and the ongoing stability of South Australia's electricity system." Now, Chris, as you can imagine, this case is only likely to further fuel debate about just how reliable renewable energy is.